Hi, I'm Wendy Gardiner. I'm going to show you how to use this magic seam marker. This nifty little device makes a perfect 1/4 inch seam. Ever so easy to use. So I'm going to start with a template. Now I'm going to use an air erasable pen. It doesn't have to be air erasable, but it does have to have an extra fine tip because in the center of the little disc is a tiny hole. So first step is to mark around the outside of my template. I'm just going to mark all the way round. I'm doing this on the fold of fabric here because this is going to be a heart when it opens out. And then using my little disc, I pop the pen into the hole in the center. And again, I just run it along the edge of my template and it's marking a perfectly 1/4 inch seam all the way around the outside. So that's now ready to cut out around the outer edge. And then I will have a perfect heart, which I can applique on with a lovely 1/4 inch seam. But you don't need to use templates and you don't always need to use shapes. I don't just use it going around templates. I also like to use it when I'm sewing squares together, because if you mark your 1/4 inch seam, so I'd have a ruler, mark the 1/4 inch seam along the edge, and then you can stitch perfect 1/4 inch seams every single time, so that when you join them together, your joins will be perfectly matched. I hope you've enjoyed that video clip. There are plenty more Hemline videos on youtube.com/Hemline International. And also, most of the products we've shown have extra colours or extra sizes. So to see more, go to www.hemline.com.